3.
Okay, so you've done your first row of knit stitches, and now you're going to turn your needle around because the stitches on the needle are now going to be in your left hand, and we're going to do a row of purl stitches. This is really the only other stitch you need to know. So take the spare needle. This time you're putting it through the first loop from the back to the front of the first stitch. Take your wool over the needle and you're going to bring it round the back of the top needle, and then you push it through from the front to the back, pulling it off the first needle. So it's a reverse of the knit stitch. So you go from the back to the front, through the front of the loop, but from the back to the front. Take the wool round the back of the top needle and then push through from the front to the back and pull off. From the back to the front, put the wool round the back of the top needle, pull the needle back and off. I'll do that again so you can have another go. Round the needle, through to the back and off. 3 more. Round the needle, pull it through to the back and off, push through, round, through to the back and off, push through, round the needle, round to the back and off. And now, if you look at the front of your knitting, turn it round. This is always the front side when the wool the short bit is here, and you've got 2 rows, and that is now stocking stitch. So stocking stitch is 1 row of knit, 1 row of purl. So at the front you would now do a row of knit. So you've done the knit stitch and the purl stitch. Congratulations.